Hi everyone! I got something to try. It's a Nitro Pepsi Vanilla Draft Cola, and it has 77 milligrams of caffeine versus just a Diet Pepsi Cherry has 38 milligrams. So let's taste it and see if this is any good. Smooth, creamy, easy to drink. Chill, pour, and admire and enjoy. Oh, I have to pour it in a glass. Can you get me a glass? It's gonna look pretty, I guess. First, we're going to pop it open. That was a lot. Now we're gonna pour it. Oh, it's like really caramelly looking in color. It's pretty. It smells like Pepsi, vanilla. Oh my gosh. It's super creamy. It reminds me of like a root beer float. It's like a Pepsi vanilla float. I love it! I definitely like this. I got a 4-pack and I'm gonna enjoy some Nitro Vanilla Pepsi. Cheers. Bye everyone.